Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Sometime back I had shared unboxing of Usha iChef Smart Air Fryer which I purchased recently. This is not a paid promotion, but just because I love this air fryer, the look of it so elegant. I'm just sharing a small demo with all of you. I tried out making recipes with each of these preset menu options and recorded a short clip of each because detailed recipe is not possible in one video. So later on I'll post individually a single detailed recipe of all these. So for the time being you can refer to these and it will, I'm sure, be useful to you if you have an air fryer at home, and I would highly recommend. This is a very beautiful one. Go for it. Parboiled potatoes, peel and cut them into wedges. Put them in the silicone basket, and using the homemade peri peri spice mix, you can use any one you have at home, or you can simply season with all spices. Add some dried herbs, spray some oil on them, mix them well with a spoon, and put the silicone basket into the air fryer container. For this I am choosing French fries option, but since the potatoes are already parboiled, I'll manually adjust the temperature. Reduce it to 10 minutes. Temperature 160 C. Wedges are done. Make and enjoy the healthy version of wedges. Kids will love them too. Yummy, yummy. Grease the plate and line up the stuffed capsicums or bell peppers on it. Spray a little more oil on them. Insert the basket, and for this now I'm going to choose the French fries option. But adjust the temperature manually to 200 C. But the time remains same, 16 minutes, as the capsicums are larger than the French fries. Start the fryer. This way you can keep the capsicums cooking in this and make the gravy side by side. They are done. Perfectly done. So just before serving, you can put them into the prepared gravy and simmer them a bit. Here my gravy is ready. This way, place them in any gravy of your choice. Simmer them a bit. Spoon a little bit of gravy on top, and your delicious stuffed capsicum or bell pepper curry is ready. Certain vegetables that I like to half fry before putting them in the curry. So here I'm taking bhindis or okra, wash, wipe them dry and cut them into the desired size pieces. Sprinkle little salt on them, spray some oil, give them a mix. Insert the air fryer basket. I'm choosing the French fries option but reducing the time manually to 10 minutes. Temperature remains same, 185 C, because bhindis have to be only half fried. Bhindis are done. You can put them into any gravy of your choice. Now for cauliflower, you have to blanch the cauliflower pieces before frying. After straining, put them in the basket and same way 180 C for 10 minutes. Half fried cauliflower is ready. And with ivy gourd or tenli, I'm following the same steps. Slice them, Add little salt. Spray some oil. Give them a mix. French fries option, time 10 minutes. This way, fry the veggies with very little oil. Grease the air fryer plate and line up the chicken strips. These are marinated strips of chicken coated with breadcrumbs. Spray some oil on them. Now choose the chicken option from the preset menu, which the temperature is 180°C, but time you set it up for 15 minutes and start the air fryer. After 10 minutes, open and flip the chicken pieces. Here we don't have a pause option in this air fryer. Here it's okay to pull out the tray, flip the snack and then put it back again. And it continues operating from where you left it. It was stopped. Now the chicken is done. You can see. Perfect. It looks very well done. Lovely color. You have a healthy version of chicken snack. I have made some aloo koftas. We are going to fry them in this Usha air fryer. Spray some oil on the plate and line up the koftas. Again, spray some oil on top of them. I'm choosing the French fries option, but reducing the time to 7 minutes. Now flip the side of the koftas and reset again for 5 minutes more. Now koftas are perfectly done. You can keep them ready and put them in the gravy just before serving the meal. Marinate the fish with spices of your choice. Here I'm using mackerel. Now select the fish option from the preset menu, which is 165°C, but I'm increasing it to 180 because I want a crispy outer texture. And the time remains 20 minutes, which is already there in the preset menu. Now the fish I've put in the silicone air fryer basket, which is easily available on Amazon and not very expensive. Insert the glass container or basket and start the air fryer. Mackerel is done, perfectly done. When we deep fry the fish, so much of oil has to be put in the pan for frying them. Now to fry the spring rolls, line them up on the plate. Spray some oil on them. I'm choosing the French fries option, but manually reducing the time to 10 minutes. Temperature is 185°C. Start the fryer. They are done. If you want little more darker color, you can put them for 12 minutes. But they are nice and crispy as such. Transfer them to the serving platter and enjoy them. That makes life easier. No deep frying in lot of oil. Enjoy the healthy version of spring rolls with some chili sauce. Put the toppings of your choice on the pizza base and insert the container. I'm choosing the pizza option from preset menu. Which shows The temperature of 150 C and time 18 minutes. Let's check it out. You can see that toppings are all melted very well, but somehow the crust is missing. It's not crunchy and crispy. You can see even the base is softer. So next time I'll try increasing the time and temperature. Marinate the paneer with tandoori masala and line it up on the air fryer plate. Spray some oil on the pieces. Insert the container, and here I'm choosing the grill option from the preset menu, which has temperature set up at 180 C and time at 12 minutes. Paneer is done beautifully. It's got a nice crust on top, and the texture also is quite nice and soft. Now let's try boiling the eggs in the air fryer. Put them on the plate, insert the basket. Now for this I'll be choosing reheating option, which can be used for cooking as well after adjusting the temperature manually. So temperature I'm keeping 160 and time 15 minutes. Start the air fryer. If you want hard boiled eggs, 15 minutes should do. If you want slightly softer yolk, you can put it for 10 minutes. Eggs are done. Now put them into the ice water so that you can peel them easily. It's amazing. I never could imagine we could boil eggs also in the air fryer. These gadgets are really amazing. The eggs are done perfectly. Peel them and enjoy them for breakfast, or you could make egg curry with them. If you have never tried boiling eggs in the air fryer, do give it a try. Grease the cake mold and line it with butter paper. Now I am making carrot cake. Pour the cake mixture into it. The ingredients and recipe can be seen in the description box. Now transfer it into the air fryer container or a basket. I am placing it on a ring so that there is enough air and heat going from the bottom also. Now we'll select the cake option from the preset menu. Temperature is showing 140 C and 33 minutes. Let's see if it gets done, because the cake is poured in a larger tin. Now once it was off, I checked with a satay stick. It needed little more baking, as I guessed earlier. So I put it back again for 10 more minutes at the same temperature. Now it is done. Look at the cake. It is soft and fluffy. Perfectly done. So I guess when we put larger cakes, manually we have to set up the time from 43 to 45 minutes. So soft and yummy. Thank you for watching. Hope this demo video is going to be useful for all of you. And stay tuned for the next video. Bye until then.